Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add cells in Google Sheets. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Sheets and then you just have to click on any of the cells that you see over here. So let's say I have selected this particular cell over here. So after selecting this cell, you just have to type equal to in your keyboard. Once you do this, you will have to click on or select that particular cell that you want to select first. So let's say I want to select this particular cell. Once you do this, you will be able to see that the cell range is now selected over here. Then you just have to type plus from your keyboard and then you will have to select your last cell that you want to add. After selecting it, you will notice that the second cell is also selected. Now you can even add multiple cells over here. So you just have to press the plus button in your keyboard again and then you will have to select the next cell. As you can see, these are the three cells that I have selected. Now I want it to sum all these, so you just have to click on any of these and you just have to click on the enter button in your keyboard. Now once you do this, you will be able to see that the cells that you have selected are now added successfully. So this way you will be able to add cells in Google Sheets. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.